Experiencing issues with Terraria on your PlayStation console? Let's get it fixed. First, ensure Terraria is fully updated. Outdated versions can cause compatibility problems. Check for updates by highlighting Terraria on your home screen, pressing the Options button, and selecting Check for Update. Next, verify your PlayStation's system software is also up to date. Navigate to Settings, System Software Update. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading updates and for online play. If you're using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection. Also, close any other applications running in the background on your PS5 or PS4 to free up system resources. Finally, perform a full restart of your console. This clears temporary files and can resolve minor software glitches. To restart, hold down the PlayStation button, go to Power, and select Restart. If these basic steps don't resolve the issue, move on to the advanced solutions. If Terraria is still not working, try these advanced troubleshooting steps. First, rebuild your PS5, PS4's database. This can fix corrupted game files. To do this, fully power down your console, not rest mode. Then, boot into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Select Rebuild Database. Note this may take some time. If rebuilding the database doesn't work, consider deleting and reinstalling Terraria. Your game saves should be backed up to the PlayStation Network cloud if you have PlayStation Plus, so you won't lose your progress. To uninstall, highlight Terraria on the home screen, press the Options button, and select Delete. Re-download the game from the PlayStation Store. For persistent crashing, especially on PS5, check your console's storage. Insufficient storage can lead to performance issues. Ensure you have ample free space. As a last resort, if none of these steps work, contact PlayStation Support or Relogic's support channels for further assistance. There might be a specific issue with your account or console requiring direct support.